it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought I would do a little self-care night in my life. This is basically gonna be my current night routine, but for when I wanna have like a little extra self-care moment. I try to do these at least once a week, if not more. I feel like I've been doing them a lot more during quarantine just because they make me feel better. It is currently a Saturday night. It is a little bit after 6 p.m. right now, so I'm about to make dinner. And I'm just gonna walk you guys through everything I do tonight and show you some of the products I like to use during a self-care night. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. For dinner tonight, I'm going to be making some shrimp tacos with like a mango salsa. My mom makes this recipe a lot, but I've never tried it myself. I'm not a chef. I am actually really bad at cooking, but I'm trying to get better at it and just trying to learn like one recipe at a time and really get better at it so that I can have a solid group of recipes that I just like know how to do and have down. So tonight we are attempting shrimp tacos. I bought mangoes at the grocery store the other day and they're like perfectly ripe right now, so I wanted to use them. Before I start cooking, I'm gonna put my hair mask in now because I like to do a hair mask. I use this one that I'm about to use once a week, and then I'll do a different hair mask at some other point during the week. So let's go do that. This is the hair mask I'm about to use. It's the Olaplex number 3 Hair Perfector. I've talked about this in another vlog at some point, but I've been using this, like I said, every week for the past like month or 2 months, and I actually feel like my hair is getting so much healthier. I've been using the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner too. Like, hasn't my hair grown a lot? Like, I feel like it has noticeably grown. But you want to put this on damp hair, so I'm gonna get my hair a little wet in the sink and then apply it mostly on like the middle to ends of my hair, but I kind of just put it everywhere. Just putting my hair up now in a bun so it's out of my face. And I'm just gonna leave this in while I make and have dinner, and then I'll shower after. Okay, so we're in my kitchen now and it's time to start cooking. Like I said, we're making shrimp tacos with a mango salsa. First, I'm gonna like season the shrimp and let it marinate a little bit before I do everything else, and then I'll make the salsa and then cook the shrimp and put it all together. First step is to put on music. I always either listen to music or listen to a podcast while I'm cooking. I just made this fire playlist on Spotify. I don't have a public right now. It's not really like a typical playlist that I would post because it's not really any new music. It's pretty much all throwbacks. It's just like a bunch of songs by like iconic female pop singers. We have Beyonce, Britney, Christina, Lady Gaga. There's literally 8 hours and 40 minutes worth of music. So this is what I've been listening to lately. I'm gonna shuffle this and get started cooking. I just can't get over. just finished up eating dinner. It was so good. And I made a little bit extra of like the mango salsa and the shrimp and everything so that I could have leftovers for like lunch or something tomorrow. So I just put all the leftover stuff in containers to put in the fridge. I'm gonna go ahead and shower since it's been about an hour with this hair mask in my hair. So I'm gonna wash it off, wash my hair, get into comfy clothes, and yeah. Alright, so I just got out of the shower. I changed into my PJs. Let me show you the products that I use in my shower really quickly. Going in to my shower. For shampoo and conditioner, I also used Olaplex. Basically the only hair products I've been using lately. So I just have their number 4 and number 5 shampoo and conditioner. And like I said, I've noticed such a huge difference since switching to this brand for my hair. I also just washed my face with the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. And then I'm not super picky about my body wash that I use. I kind of just use whatever I have on hand. So I've been using this Deep Sleep shower gel from This Works. It basically just smells like lavender, so it's very like relaxing. Also, I just want to shout out some other hair masks that I have on the shelf up here. I basically alternate between one of these and the Olaplex one. So I've really been liking this Living Proof one, the Intense Moisture Mask. You can't really tell, but it's almost empty, so I've been using that a ton. And then I also have this Repair one from Living Proof. Over here, I also have this Briogeo one, the Don't Despair Repair one, and then I have the Amika Nourishing Mask, and both of those are really, really good as well. So now for my post-shower routine. First, I just need to put a few products in my hair. So I use 2 products after I wash it. The first is just the Prep Rally spray from Drybar. All this really does is detangle my hair and makes it smell really good. So I just spray this all over, and then I just brush out my hair. Then lastly, I just take the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. This is basically just like a leave-in treatment. So I take like that much and just kind of focus this on the ends of my hair, and it just helps like repair your hair and kind of like smooth it out, defrizz, all of that good stuff. So that's all that I do with my hair after I wash it. I always just let it dry naturally. Also in the shower, I just shaved my legs. I haven't been doing this as often as normal during quarantine because I'm obviously not seeing anyone, so I don't really care. But I still try to shave my legs kind of regularly because, I don't know, just for myself, I feel like there's no better feeling than getting into bed with like really smooth legs. After I shave my legs, I always go in with a dry brush. Dry brushing basically like keeps your lymphatic system moving. Also, I just feel like it really exfoliates my skin, and for some reason my skin on my legs has been like kind of really dry lately, so I feel like this just gets all the dead skin off and just makes my legs so much smoother. I got this dry brush for free when I went to the Talks. It's like a lymphatic drainage massage place. I went to the one in New York, but they have a few different locations, so they just gave this to me, but I'm sure you can find other cheap dry brushes on like Amazon, so I'll link one down below if you guys need one. Basically, when you're dry brushing, you just want to brush like inward towards your heart. So you want to brush your legs like up and then your arms in and just everything towards the center of your body. So I'm gonna do that. After I just filmed that last clip, I dropped my camera and I literally thought it broke. My heart is actually racing. Like, I thought it was broken, and I literally just got this camera a few months ago, but we're good. I fixed it. So now that I'm done dry brushing, I make sure to hydrate the skin on my legs, my arms, and everything. And once again, I'm not super picky about my body lotion. I really want to try the body lotion from Necessaire, but it's been sold out, so I haven't been able to get it. But lately I've just been using this lotion from Vaseline. I got it at Target. It's their Intensive Care Spray Moisturizer, so it just comes out as like a continuous spray, which is really nice. It takes like 2 seconds. Now my legs are all soft and smooth. Next step of my self-care night is to do a little face mask. What do I want to do today? I think tonight I'm just going to use my Drunk Elephant baby facial. I've talked about this in several videos before. It's just like a resurfacing, exfoliating mask treatment thing. You leave it on for like 20 minutes and then just wash it off. This stuff is amazing. It's definitely my favorite product from Drunk Elephant. I think it's worth every penny. So I actually haven't used this in a couple weeks, so I'm gonna use this tonight. But I wanted to also shout out a few other masks that I really like. For another exfoliating mask, I really like the Summer Fridays R&R mask. It leaves your skin so smooth. This mask is more of like a clearing mask. It's from Ole Henriksen. It's their cold plunge pore mask. It comes out like bright blue and it feels amazing on your skin. It's super cooling and I just feel like this clears out my pores so well. This mask is also a really good pore clearing mask. It's the Innisfree pore clearing mask and it's like a charcoaly mask. This one's a little more affordable than the other ones and it's really, really good. I've been using it a lot lately. And then my favorite hydrating mask is definitely the jet lag mask, also from Summer Fridays. This leaves your skin so hydrated and soft. It's amazing. Or if I need a hydrating mask, I'll just use like a random sheet mask. I really like the ones from Sephora collection or the ones from Innisfree. Those are pretty much all of my faves, but I honestly love trying out face masks, so I'm always trying new ones. But tonight I'm gonna go for my Drunk Elephant one. Putting on a little Laneige lip mask. Just going to leave this on for about 20 minutes. Okay, just spent the last 20 minutes watching TikToks and now it's time to wash this mask off. Now I'm just gonna finish up with the rest of my skincare for the night. First, just using the Drunk Elephant night serum. For moisturizer, I'm using the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. For eye cream, I'm using, also from First Aid Beauty, the Retinol Eye Cream. And lastly, just taking a few drops of the Drunk Elephant Marula oil and just kind of pressing this into my skin. Okay, guess what time it is? It is time for cocktails with Maddie, or drinks with Maddie. What did I call it last time? I forget. Comment down below like a good, cute name for this little segment. So you guys really liked when I included a drink recipe a couple vlogs ago, so I'm gonna make another one tonight. Tonight's drink recipe is from this book. It's the One Bottle Cocktail. As you can guess, it's just a bunch of cocktail recipes that only require one type of alcohol. So the one I'm making tonight is a drink with gin in it. It's called the Slippery When Wet. I thought this was really interesting. So it's kind of like a strawberry vibe with lemon juice, honey, and then what's weird is it includes a teaspoon of Greek yogurt. I don't think I've ever made a cocktail with yogurt before, but it says it's still supposed to be like a liquid consistency, but it's just a little bit creamier with the yogurt, so I'm excited to try it. So let's get started. I'm also going to try to film clips for TikTok while making this, so this will be interesting. I have a better shaker this time, guys. It actually has a strainer on top, so this is gonna make things so much easier. For ingredients, I have 3 strawberries. It says to use 1 large or 2 small strawberries, so I have these 2. This one's small, this one's like medium. And then I have an extra one just to garnish at the end. And then I just cut up a lemon because we need 3/4 an ounce of fresh lemon juice. We'll also need 1/2 ounce of honey, 1 heaping teaspoon of plain Greek yogurt. So I don't have plain yogurt, but I got this yogurt the other day at Trader Joe's. It's the Greek yogurt with honey. Since there's already honey in the recipe, I feel like the honey in the yogurt will be fine. And if anything, it'll just make it like sweeter, which I prefer. And then also we need 2 ounces of gin. So I'm just using Bombay Sapphire. I don't really know how much 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice is, but I'm just gonna estimate. Okay, so I just added juice from like 3/4 of the lemon. I don't know, that might be too much, but I feel like a little extra lemon won't hurt. Okay, so I'm just adding the 1/2 ounce of honey. So in here is the strawberries, the honey, and the lemon juice. So I'm just gonna muddle this all together. Once again, I don't have an actual muddler, so I'm just using the end of this. Okay, next up we are taking our gin. This is a fresh bottle, and we're doing 2 ounces of this. So I'm filling this all the way up. Now we're gonna add the Greek yogurt. So it says to do a big teaspoon, which isn't a lot. So I feel like the yogurt's not gonna make like a huge difference to the taste. I just tried the yogurt with the honey and it's so good. I just filled the shaker up with ice, put the lid on, and now we shake it up. I just have my glass with ice. It says to use crushed ice, but we're just using cube. And now we strain it. Okay, I can't mess this clip up. I'm nervous. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow. Okay, lastly, it says to sprinkle some black pepper on top, which is really interesting, and then garnish with a strawberry slice. Okay guys, here's the finished drink. It looks so pretty. It's like a strawberries and cream little concoction. I love it. Okay, but let's taste test and see if it actually is good. Cheers. Oh, that's really interesting. I can definitely taste the flavor of the yogurt, and I think I put in a little too much lemon. It's very sour, but it's actually pretty good. It's not really what I was expecting. You can't taste the strawberry flavor as much as I thought you would be able to, but it's really good. It goes down really easily. Okay, I'm going to drink my cocktail, and I'm gonna watch an episode of Bloodline. That is my latest show that I'm watching. So I'm only a few episodes in to season 1. It is 11 p.m. now, past my bedtime. So I think I'm gonna sit in bed for a little bit and read the book that I'm reading right now until I fall asleep. Currently reading the book In 5 Years. But I'm getting pretty tired, so I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys liked this little night routine slash self-care routine slash vlog. Let me know in the comments down below what kinds of videos you guys want to see from me, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon in another new video. Bye.